1990 GMC 1500. Dun, dun, dun. It's single, it's dualed out into a single Y pipe. The original factory catalytic converter. Then what we did, put a 3-inch pipe instead of the intermediate pipe. Put a Flowmaster Super 44, part number 9430452. If you guys want it, there'll be a link in the description. Then it's got 2 1/4 tailpipes into 4-inch angle cut tips. And hopefully there'll be a link in the description for those. He wanted them nice and clean and tucked. So we tucked them up for him really nicely on each side, right there and right there. As you guys can see, that's how you dual them out. Came out really pretty, really nice. Nicely done. Let you guys hear it to this. Sound decibels again. Almost at 100. That catalytic converter that's on it, that big one, takes a lot of the sound away. So if you guys ever want it to be louder, you always take that converter off and put a high flow in its place if you have emissions. And if you don't have emissions, then you can find a muffler shop, they'll cut it off. But we don't cut it off. We have emissions, it's against the law. We don't do anything without emissions. There it is. You guys here on the inside. GMC Sierra. Boom, boom, boom. It's her husband's truck, so let's see if she'll get on it. She said she will. You gonna get on it for us? All right. Look at that. That's awesome. '97 Chevy Silverado 1500. 5.7 liter V8. Still got the factory catalytic converters there and there. Then it comes factory dual, true dual, into a single muffler outlet and dual inlet. So we replaced it with MagnaFlow Magna packs right there. They didn't want it too loud, he wanted a growl, but deep growl. And continued it with 2.5-inch tailpipes, mandrel bent right there and right there, into 4-inch double wall tips right there and right there. There she is. So it's true dual all the way back. Came out really nice, really pretty. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. What you wanted?
Yep.
All right. There's the stock muffler that came off of it. See how it comes in with a dual inlet? Again? True dual. 1998 Chevy 1500 Silverado. What we got done on this beautiful thing. Still got the stock catalytic converters. It comes factory dual, true dual, all the way back. And we continued that process with a Flowmaster Super 10. You can find the link in the description if you want to purchase one. Into 2 1/4 tailpipes. And then into 3.5 inch angle cut tips. Right there and right there. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy. Oh. Oh. That always makes me feel good. Don't you guys agree? Let me know in the comments if you like this sound, because I sure do. Let you guys hear it on the inside. '95 Chevy Silverado 1500. That's when they were done right. Still got the stock converter right there, 3 inch, 3 out. Then we did the 3 inch intermediate pipe, and we ran it out the side in front of the rear tire because it sounds better, into a massive 3.5 inch dual tip right there. It'll come out really pretty, really nice, really clean. Just wait till you guys hear it. You're gonna love it. Mouth sounded really nice. It looks really clean too. '99 Chevy Suburban. What we got done on it for you guys. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then it continues, and we continued the true dual on it. Usually the muffler comes dual in, single out, and then a single tailpipe. So we cut it right before there. I run 2 1/4 all the way back, and then out the side into 4 inch angle cut tips right there and right there. So basically it's a true dual now. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Chevy Suburban, 1999. That's loud. Wow. Yep. Hope you guys like it. It's loud. What's up, man? Give me a couple of seconds. $19.99 Suburban does not disappoint.